Welcome kids. Today we will learn place value in Indian and international place system. Differences between Indian number system and international number system. So differences are periods, places and inserting commas. So for understanding the differences, we will have international place value chart and Indian place value chart. In the international place value chart, the ones period is divided into 3 parts, and in Indian number system, the ones period is also divided into 3 parts. Upper one is international number system and below is Indian number system. So, in ones period, international number system has ones, tens and 100. In the same way, in Indian number system, it has 3 places, ones, tens and hundreds. After ones period in international system, in thousands period, we have 3 places. In international number system, in thousand period, we have 3 places, thousands, 10,000s and 100,000s. In the same way, in Indian number system, in thousand period, we have 2 places, thousands and 10,000s. In the international number system, after thousands, we have million period, and million period has 3 places, millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. But in Indian number system, after thousand period, we have lakhs period. And lakhs period has 2 places, lakhs and 10 lakhs. And further, after lakhs period, we have crores, crores and 10 crores. So basically, we differentiate between international number system and Indian number system because of commas. We put commas in different ways. So for that, we have 2 of the numbers, 376, 523 and 180. You can see the digits are separated using commas. After each 3 digit, we have put comma. But the below one, we have 657483231, and here 231 is separated by a comma. Then the digits are separated by comma, and we have put comma after 2 digits. So upper one is international number system and second one is Indian place value system. So first one is 376,523,180, and it is international number system. The below one is 65 crores 74 lakhs 83,231, and this is Indian number system. So we have put the comma in the different ways, and we have come to know the difference because of commas, use of commas. Now we will put 9 digits number into international system place value chart and Indian place value chart. So let's have a number, 9 digit number, 3 2 5 7 6 3 2 8 and 3. Now first of all, we will put in international number system place value chart. So we will read it as 325,763,283. Now we will put the same number in the Indian place value chart. So we will read it as 32 crores 57 lakhs 63,283. So this way we can differentiate, and this is how we read the same number in Indian and international accordingly. Now we will learn how to differentiate, how to compare both the number systems. So on the left hand side we have Indian number system, and on the right side we have international number system. So 1 lakh in Indian number system will be 100,000 in international number system. In the same way, 10 lakh will be equal to 1 million. Then we have 1 crore, and 1 crore is equal to 10 million. Now we have 10 crore, and that 10 crore is equal to 100 million. So I hope you have understood the difference between Indian number system and international number system. Thank you.